You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names from the series as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations of character names. Harry Potter. Harry Potter is how it is said in British English, or in American English, Harry Potter. Harry Potter. And now you know more videos for you on how to pronounce more names from Harry Potter whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.